Hey everybody! Tonight I'll show you the work of the plugin Camera Render Studio on the project, known as Dark Ruin with Mega Scan. I didn't change anything, and the project left everything as it is. And let's do it! It's usually possible to add a component. Camera Render Preview Camera Render Studio to your cell. As a matter of principle, it's convenient. And then we're gonna have to prepare a texture with you. Add super. You've. And this. Then select the mode editor. I mean, we're already, you can say. In our preview mode, we're choosing our projection. And what do we see? The first is, first of all, a vignette. I mean, we can. To see that we have a vignette, let's fix this. Picking our post process. Great. Let's see. We're somewhere. See, there's also some in the clouds. Problems. We need to figure this out. I don't know what it is. It's probably that. Exposure. One. Three, five. Apparently the problem was in post process local beach. There's something that's gonna happen. Oh. There are big advantages to working with previews. You can fix the problems right away. If there are any problems, example water, anything. Next, let's see what else we can have. Problems. The mode is now in use. Six sides for projection. That's all. Only 6 sides used. That's why productivity is quite high. For this, it's a scene. Yeah. Here we are. See, we've got this too. Exposure. Now. Okay. I see. I mean, there's a lot of post-process in the scene. For scenes. Different scenes, so you're gonna have to adjust. Yes, you can see the motion blur. It's all working. I mean, minimum. What we see with you, I don't know what changes we've made. In general, practically without changing anything. It's a project. The changes we made are vignette and exposure. By which two adjustments are made. Some data. What if you have any stitches are visible so you can a little correction of the data? I mean, for example, by default, if not used, mask, let's check it out. So, if you can see, if we don't use the mask, we're going through some rough edges here. I've already set this whole thing up automatically, so that's... I didn't notice it. So we're going to mix the edges by increasing the view. And there's been an overlay of cameras. So what else do you want me to show you? What? Now we're using mode editor, but you have a user mode. For example, I mean, the render goes straight to texture. It was the same before. Here, we have an autofollow option. Active camera if you're a few cameras. That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna be automatic. Follow the camera, wherever she was. The preview is responsible for ensuring that the preview was displayed. Disable viewport. We're gonna turn it off if we're gonna turn it off. It's just viewport. Shut down all. It's necessary to save memory. Also with need disable render to texture. I mean, there's no render. This mode usually keeps yours variables, exactly these four. 2. Working with the editor, usually recommended. Editor, if you're rendering texture, just use the user. Default. It's shutting down the component. But when you have a move render mode, so is he. Turns off viewport and texture. And this mode is usually used to work through a move render. I'm not changing anything here. I'll keep it that way. Render Studio cameras, they are focused specifically on rendering. In mode, simultaneous or if in camera 1, 2, 3, I mean, used rotation constant in the framework. So here we have a synchronous rendering. Yes, and please keep in mind the component. It's not used at all. And rendering, that's exactly what's going on here. Rack. I mean, there's no layers with the component. It's connected. The component is designed for you to see. I'll take care of it. But it's the same. The principles that the passage itself has fulfilled. That's it. You see no problem with the motion blur. I mean, no stitches. Everything is perfect, nothing. We don't have any questions in your rendering. So let's do the next one. Next type of projection. He's already done it. More extensive than the moment it allows. Use horizontal steps and vertical. In working principle, need usually 5-6. Let's try and check it out. Outcome. The principle is a little different, but he's doing more. Captures. It's heavier than normal. 6. Camera. Render pass, but it's true. It also takes him some time to start. That's why. Because there's so launch going on. Most cameras. You could say that. It's just that you see speed. It's an increase. This mode is slower, but he's making more captures. So if you have any effects that connected to the screen space effects, that's the mode he's in. Should be. Solved the problem before. "28 images per minute. Using all the panels. If suddenly it seems to you, which image is more? It's blurry. Try to use increase size. Textures. Texture size changes here. I mean, like 150. You see what we have? Tile resolution. It uses a rectangle, but you can use squares.